Okay guys, today I unbox Bissell vacuum cleaner. So it's a Bissell 3313 upright vacuum cleaner. So I got this from Walmart today. It's really big vacuum cleaner. So it has multiple function. So let's unbox the box. Here this is the user manual. And here you can see lots of brushes inside of the box. Okay, this is the vacuum cleaner. So it's a blue color and this is a hose pipe. So I have to connect this from vacuum cleaner with brush. So this took almost $59 from Walmart. It's a really cheap vacuum cleaner. So here is lots of accessories. This is another tools. So everything is connected with the brush. See, this is the handle of the cleaner, vacuum cleaner. It's a really big handle. Okay, let's see the cleaner, and here is the vacuum cleaner. So this is the cleaner. This is really big vacuum cleaner. Now I'll connect all of the accessories with the cleaner. Then I will play the vacuum cleaner.